Hi, welcome to our quick tutorial. So in this video we are going to see how you can bypass the hello screen on iPhone XR to 11 Pro Max. So today to bypass this device we are using Aladin Tool. So using this tool you can easily bypass the hello screen and full process I show in this video. So I open the tool and you have to connect the phone right now. So when you connect the phone normal mode, there is only show the iOS version. Now you have to enter the phone on recovery mode. Multiple way have to enter the phone on recovery mode. I just entering recovery mode by pressing volume up, down and the power button. You can use 3U tools or you can use the recovery cable, whatever. So after connect you have to click the DFU mode and then click start and press and hold volume down and the power button, and 4 seconds later you release the power button. Keep holding the volume down button until it goes to the DFU mode. So yeah, now the phone is a DFU mode. So right now you need the Raspberry Pi board or Pico 2, whatever what the name you call. If you don't have this board, then you can search on your local market, or if you are global user then you have to search on AliExpress or whatever, but you have to collect this board, otherwise skip the video and you can't go to the next process until you have this. So the connection process is very simple. Type C cable you need to connect this board, and other port you have to use the lightning cable. And when you see the green signal, then that's mean your phone is already PWM mode and you connect the normal cable with your laptop or computer. So right now there is showing purple mode option. So first you have to click the purple mode option to change the serial number. So I click here and wait a moment, it will come a new interface. You have to change the serial number by using a simple click. Wait a moment here. Okay, so now you have to click the refresh button and then it's asking to install the driver. You simply click the install driver option. So it will install the CDC driver on your computer or laptop. Okay, so install done. Now again you click the refresh button. Okay, so there you can see the 2 port, but you have to ensure which port is connected your phone. So you have to ensure it. So first you have to go to the device manager to see the port. So I search device manager. Okay, and now you have to click the port option, and here you see the CDC port 4. So you have to connect the COM4. Okay, now connect and change SN. So within 5 seconds it will be write the new serial number. Now you click the reboot button. So the phone will be reboot, and now it's connect recovery mode. Then you have to click the DFU option and make the device again on DFU mode. So the process is same. It's actually the repeatable process. You have to do this again one more time. So very easy. But if you have the board, then you can, otherwise you can't. So again, same way you have to connect that board to enter your phone on PWM mode. So remove the direct cable and connect the board cable, and when you see the green light is appears, that's mean your phone is now PWM mode. Yeah, so it's booted. Now you have two options, boot on or boot to. Normally the boot to is recommendable, it's work for multiple device, but you can try on boot on if it's failed for you. So wait a moment, it will be booting within few seconds or few minutes. So it's booted. Now you click the bypass option, hello screen bypass. Just click here and then it will take some time and your phone will be bypassed successfully. So wait a moment until the phone is reboot and remove to the hello screen. Okay, so after some time you see the bypass is completed. Now wait for open the phone properly, and then we have the last part of this video. We have to fix the Face ID issue, because normally the phone is right now bypass. You can log in iCloud and everything, but the Face ID will not work. Sometimes the camera have some issue, but normally Aladin Tool I check, it's not have any issue about the camera. So there is actually detecting your Face ID is not working properly. But if you go to the settings, then the iCloud account is already removed. So now again we have to enter the phone on recovery mode. Alright, so it's recovery mode right now. Then the process is again the same. You have to repeat. So DFE mode, connect again. Okay, so the DFE is connected. Now the same way you have to enter PWM mode using this board. So yeah, the green signal showing. Now just remove the cable and connect the direct cable with computer. So here is the option. You have to again choose the boot to for booting. Okay, so after complete the booting, you have to click the fix Face ID. This is the last process. Just simply click here and okay. So it will be done within a few minutes, and then your phone will be properly ready to use. So they have a good support system. If you try their software and face any issue, you can directly join their discussion group in Telegram, or you can directly message them on Telegram to solve the problem. So you can try their software, and if you face any issue, you can comment below, so they will reply. Also I try to reply in this video comment section. So our phone is done, everything is worked perfectly. So thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tada.